Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Yen, and today we are I'm standing in front of my personal closet. So we are going to do a spring closet clear out, and I'm so excited because your girl is a shopaholic and I need to declutter. So hopefully I can get rid of some things because I already went through my closet recently and tried to declutter some things to sell. Now I'm going to do a deeper look into my closet and really get rid of things that I'm not wearing. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys haven't already, and let's get started. And I don't have a good angle to share this with you guys because this door is very narrow, so I will try to do my best and show you guys everything in here. But I have done several closet clear out videos in the past that I will link either up here or at the bottom. So as you guys can see, the top bins are just my undies and socks and bras, and then we move to shorts and skirts, and then I have tops that I wear at home or like just t-shirts, and then my gym workout stuff, and then at the bottom are just my pajamas. I actually did declutter a lot of this, so I'm just going to share with you guys some stuff that I have here. I purchased this Zara skirt and it is so cute. It is a purple like tweed like. I didn't even know it had a matching top, and I actually found this on Whatnot, so I purchased this secondhand, saved so much money, and this is such a cute like corset top. I try to really be selective with shorts that I keep. I might have gained weight, but I want to wait until summertime to try them on again and maybe find some new pairs. But for right now, these are some nice ones that I have. I feel like these are a pretty nice range to have in my closet, so for now I'm going to keep all of them. I also have some skirts over here, so I loved these for last summer, so I will try to see if I will reach for them this summer, and then I will declutter next like in the fall or winter time. I also have two Urban Outfitters skirts. They're the exact same thing. One is just orange and one is black, and I'm just going to keep both for now. And then I just have two like slip skirts that I will leave there. Please don't judge the way I fold these items. It's not ideal, but I'm under a time crunch, so I'm just going to leave the items how they are for now. This section is a little bit boring, so I'm going to just go through these items and see if there are anything that I want to declutter. I also have a Justin Bieber tee, but I just can't get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to declutter this top because I don't need it. I do have this purple Life is Good top, and I love these tops because they have cute sayings on the front. This one says peace, and it has a dog and a cat, but it is a little bit worn. I'm just going to go ahead and maybe list it for like 15 or 20 on my Posh. Please excuse these gowns because they're kind of in the way, but I don't have a new place to put them. So this is where I have all of my gym wear, and as you guys can tell, I have two stacks of leggings, and then I have sports bras over here, and I do not need all of these, but I just can't let them go. So we should go through. I already decluttered a lot and put them on my Whatnot show a while ago, maybe like last fall or something. I actually have these Alphalete leggings, and this is basically like one for every day of the week, but I do have a few in the wash. All of these I am keeping because they are so expensive and they look so good on. These are all of my Gymshark leggings, and you guys, I do not wear half of them, so I am going to go through. This is insane. This one is Whitney Simmons' last collection, and I love this color. I don't have something like this, and the butt scrunch is so nice. That like contour also is very flattering, and these have pockets. I don't really like leggings with pockets, but these are so flattering, so I am definitely going to keep. These are from her previous collection, not the most recent one, but I just love everything about them, and I don't have any green like this. I also don't have a nice chocolate brown like this one, and then I also have a black pair because I don't own a lot of black leggings and they're so comfortable to travel. I also have this purple, I think, navigation pair. 17 pairs of leggings that I have here, and I probably have like one or two more somewhere in the house, but I am decluttering 7 pairs of leggings, so that is a win for me. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out my Posh closet. And then let's get into shorts, because shorts are a different category, and I've been obsessed because I started feeling more comfortable wearing shorts at the gym, and now it's just a game changer. So I do have more shorts, but they're not all here because I know that I own more than just 2 pairs of or 3 pairs of Alphalete shorts. I do have 2 pairs of navigation shorts that I bought from a friend, and they're really pretty. So I have this pink color and this bright blue color, but I think that they're a little bit loose on me even though they're medium. Then this is my first time owning a pair of like Lululemon shorts, biker shorts, and these are so cute. I love them. They're a little bit longer, and I actually bought them on Whatnot. I also have this pair of Gymshark shorts. I do also have the Whitney Simmons biker shorts, and these are so comfortable. I think I also have them in black. So for the shorts, I'm keeping 8, and then I am going to probably declutter 3. And then I have some sports bras here, and I'm going to go through them because they're not all comfortable. Okay, so I have 6 here, and I'm going to declutter the gray Nike one. So that looks a little bit better. Okay, so this might be hard to show you guys, but these are just some pajamas that I have. Like this one is a nice pair of Alphalete shorts, and I love them. But I'm just going to go through this quickly because it's not very interesting. Okay, so I decluttered like 4 items, but this bottom section is pretty nice. It was not a mess to begin with. So I have some sweaters over here, this hoodie, a very nice knit cardigan. I'm going to declutter this purple one because it's very cute, but I don't wear it. I do have this one. It's super soft. I'm going to declutter this though. I also have this green cardigan, and I don't really wear cardigans, so to be honest, I'm going to declutter this green one as well. And then I have this nice fuzzy one from Forever 21. I do have some of these tops that I like to wear as like a jacket. This is a fun color one. I just don't have anything to wear with this yet, so I'm going to keep that for now. And then I have the Skims fuzzy teddy jackets. I do have a few Skims here as well. The Skims wrap top and the Skims cropped pullover. I have matching bottoms to them. I have 3 different denim jackets, and I have reduced my denim jackets a lot. I had like over 5 or 6. They're all pretty much different. This is the area that gets the most cluttered. I have full leather pants, corduroy, this cargo pair. I feel like I'm going to actually list this. This is by Alex Mill, if you guys haven't heard of this brand, but I think it's pretty expensive. I did try to declutter all of the denim already, and they're all somewhat different, like the fit and everything. Up there I have like sweatpants, and I'm probably not going to reach up there because they all work, so I'm going to keep them for now. And I also have some sweatpants here that I will put up here, and I do have some sporty and rich sweatshirts. This one I'm actually selling. It's a cropped sporty and rich, and I don't really reach for that one. I did go through these, and I am keeping this. I don't really wear turtlenecks, but I thought that, you know, it'll be an essential to have 1 or 2 in my closet. So not too much. Honestly, it looks like a lot, but I have like 5, and then these are more basic over here, and then these are like a mix of zip ups and turtlenecks. So I don't really reach for this section, but this is just in case I go somewhere cold, because I rarely do. Okay, you guys, so I'm moving on to the dresses, and it is pretty tight over here just because these are items that I'm selling, and I don't have a place or a closet for gowns, so I put them in my closet, and so that takes up my space. I have this Good American romper. It's very cute. And then I also have this like gray romper, and it's actually just by Forever 21. I'm going to either donate or sell because it is pretty worn. Initially, I tried to organize this section, but eventually it just got kind of crazy. I have a lot of maxi dresses over here. I have like 3 of the same Zara dress because I love it, so I have it in different color. It was the viral like pink one, and I wanted to show you guys my obsession with Skims because all of these are the same dress. I am waiting to get the black one, and I probably don't need it because I have it in the long sleeve. So of course I had to have, these are the long sleeve version of the soft lounge ones. These are the like spaghetti straps. So clearly you guys can see, but I am obsessed. I am actually going to just go ahead and sell the camel long sleeve because I don't need it. Okay, so we are on my phone because my camera died and I really want to get through this. So this is another angle for you guys. I feel like you guys probably can already tell that when I love a dress, I want to own all of them because I own 2 of these and I don't need them. They're by the bar and they're like strapless mini dresses. This one is so cute and I have yet to wear either of them. I bought them on Whatnot for a steal and I am obsessed, so probably will wear and then sell afterwards. I do have the Skims like towel dress, so I probably take that on vacation with me, and you guys can see how hard it is for me to show some of these items. Okay, so I do have this dress that I know I'm going to declutter. It is a very cute dress by Michael Costello and Revolve, but it is a size small. For some reason, it fits really loose, so I'm just going to go ahead and list this. I was never really a fan of wearing white dresses until I got engaged, and then, you know, all of the bridal wear and stuff like that, I couldn't help but pick up all of these white dresses, and now I'm obsessed. So I have a white one by Superdown that is so flattering, and then I have another one, I think by Princess Polly. Yeah, I might just go ahead and list the Princess Polly one because I'm probably not going to wear it again. And then I do have some slip dresses in here, or more like yellow tone color dresses. So this is a nice one by, I think Naked is the brand, and then this one is by Pepper Mayo. And I do have this Princess Polly slip dress. I am going to list this one or put it in a show, and then I'm going to keep this yellow one. I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one because I already have the long sleeve Skims one. I have some blue dresses and I don't think I've worn these 2. This one I did wear in Mexico, but I think it has a hole on the back, so I might donate this one. I purchased this Nicholas dress at TJ Maxx, but I think I'm going to list this. I was going to wear this first. I purchased this pink Love Shack Fancy by Target on Poshmark, and I actually don't really like the quality of this dress, so I'm going to sell this one. I did clear up a little bit, but not much, and honestly I became like a dress girl because I never used to wear a lot of dresses, so I'm just going to keep these items and eventually go through them and declutter here and there. And then back there I have some gowns that I am actually selling. I'm going to do my best with one hand to show you guys some of these tops, but I'm warning you, I have a lot of gowns in the way. I'm just going to have to look through some of these, and I already know that a lot of them are Skims, so I'm going to keep most of them. A lot of basic tops and crop tops because I have a really short torso. Those are mainly what I have in my closet, and long sleeves back here, but honestly I rarely reach for the long sleeves. This is the last bit of my closet clear out. I'm decluttering these 2 like red bodysuits. This one is a more, you know, lacy, sexy piece, and this one is just a ribbed. And then I have this one that I wore like all the time. This is just actually by Forever 21. I'm just going to go ahead and declutter. And then I have 2 purple tops, cute Forever 21 piece. This one is a Free People. And then I am going to get rid of these 2 Shein tops. I don't really shop Shein anymore. And then these are the long sleeves that I'm decluttering. This is by Forever 21. A really cute top though. I have this same thing. I don't really reach for this one. This one is actually a Gymshark top that matches the leggings, so I am going to sell this one. And then this is a Naked Fashion open back It's really cute, but it's just not for me. And then I have this Tiger Mist top that I actually bought a Depop. It's a medium, but it fits really small. So I never got to wear this, but it was so cute. And then I do have this Forever 21 like crop top. I also have this random boutique bodysuit. So this is the after of my closet. Some of these are pretty cramped, but I am just happy that a lot of these items I will be wearing. But this is basically my closet right now. So thank you guys for watching.